Hello, and welcome back to FluentEcho English, your space to listen, repeat, shadow, and learn English naturally, one step at a time. I'm Alex, and I'm happy you're here. In this episode, I'll speak slowly, use simple and clear words, and repeat ideas so you can shadow my voice, practice speaking, and build your confidence step by step. Today, we'll learn how to describe your day in English, not just short sentences, but complete ideas. What do you do in the morning? What happens in your afternoon? What is your evening routine like? By the end of this episode, you'll be able to talk about your day in English using clear, natural sentences. Let's begin. Why practice talking about your day? It's important because your day is real. It happens every single day. You know it well. You don't need to search for words or ideas. You don't need to talk about history, science, or politics. You just need to talk about your life. You can say what time you wake up, what you eat for breakfast, whether you go to work or stay home, how you feel, tired, happy, busy, relaxed, and the best part. When you describe your day, you are practicing real, useful English. English you can use with other people in real life. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to try. Example, conversation. Imagine meeting someone new. They ask, "What did you do today?" If you've practiced describing your day, you can answer naturally. I woke up at 7. I went to work. I had coffee and answered emails. In the evening, I made dinner and watched TV. That's a full conversation. That's real communication. That's your goal. Even if you're alone, shy, or not in an English class, you can practice speaking English by talking about your day. How to start practicing whenever you're unsure what to say. Ask yourself, what did I do today? What time did I wake up? What did I eat? Where did I go? What did I do in the evening? These questions help. Remember vocabulary. Build strong English habits. Think in full sentences without stress. You can do this in the morning to talk about yesterday, or in the evening to review today. You can even record yourself and listen back. The key is to keep it simple. Use the English you know. Don't worry about mistakes. Just speak. 1 sentence today, 2 sentences tomorrow, a full story next week. Morning routine. Practice morning is an important part of your day. It sets the mood and gives you energy. Even a few minutes of English in the morning is perfect. Let's practice some simple morning sentences. Repeat after me slowly. I usually wake up at 7 o'clock. Sometimes I wake up earlier at 6:30 when I have a lot to do. If I sleep late, I feel tired in the morning. I stay in bed for a few minutes and think about my day. I like to stretch my arms and take a deep breath. Then I get out of bed and walk to the bathroom. I wash my face with cold water to feel awake. Sometimes I take a quick shower while listening to soft music or English audio. After the shower, I put on clean and comfortable clothes. Next, I prepare my breakfast. I usually eat toast, eggs, and fruit. I drink coffee most mornings. Sometimes green tea. While eating, I watch a short video or enjoy the quiet outside. Before leaving the house, I check my phone, my messages, and my schedule. I pack my bag with my phone, notebook, keys, and water bottle. Finally, I put on my shoes and step outside to begin my day. Afternoon routine practice. Afternoon is usually busy. You may go to work, attend classes, stay home, and take care of family, even if you're busy. You can still listen, repeat, and practice English for just 5 to 10 minutes. Here are some common sentences. Repeat after me. After lunch, I go back to work. Sometimes I feel sleepy after eating. I check emails and answer the important ones first. I have 1 or 2 meetings in the afternoon. If I work from home, I sit at my desk and open my laptop. I type reports or prepare presentations. I like to keep my desk clean and organized. I usually take a short break around 3 o'clock. I make tea or drink water. Sometimes I go for a short walk outside. Evening routine practice. Evening is special. Time to relax and review the day. Repeat these sentences after me. I come home at 6 p.m. I take off my shoes and rest for a few minutes. I watch the news or listen to music. I cook dinner or order food if I feel tired. I eat dinner with my family and share stories. After dinner, I clean the kitchen. Sometimes I go for a short walk. Before bed, I read a book or listen to calming music. I take a shower and brush my teeth. I go to bed around 10:30 or 11 p.m. Final practice. Now it's your turn. Speak about your day. Morning, wake up, breakfast, work or study. Afternoon, lunch, tasks, meetings, breaks, evening, dinner. Relaxation, bedtime, use, simple, complete sentences. Even a few lines are enough. The goal is speaking, not perfection. Repeat this routine often. Each time, add more sentences. English becomes part of your life, not just a lesson. I'm Alex, and I'm proud of your effort today. Keep listening, keep speaking, and keep believing in yourself. See you in the next episode of FluentEcho English. Bye for now.